Okay, howdy everyone. So for the Protostomes video, I will be talking about the life of a snail. So the common name is snail, which is used for all members in the phylum Molluscan, and the scientific name for snails are gastropodas, and these fall under the phylum Mollusca as mentioned, and they also fall under the superphylum Lophotropozoa clade. And there are different types of snails, so there's garden snails, land snails, and aquatic snails, and many more. So natural habitat of a snail. So snails do inhabit in a variety of places, which can be like mountains, cold areas, fields, forests, water, and soil. And they can just pretty much live anywhere where there's land. You can like also find snails like on concrete or like anywhere outside of your house. So for food sources, there are different types of snails like garden and land snails as mentioned, and they do consume different food sources. So they can consume vegetables, algae, fungi, animal waste, and berries. So for the predator-prey relationship, so for predators, ground beetles, rats, snakes, toads, and turtles do consume snails, but snails don't consume as much food and like as other predators do. So for prey, they go for worms and insect larvae, and they also eat like other things such as like leaves, plants, and fungi, as I previously mentioned. And snails do have smaller mouth openings compared to other species, which is why they can't eat as much as other species. Sorry. So for unique evolved traits, they do have the spiral shaped shell, and these shells help snails adapt to any environmental conditions they may be experiencing. And this is like very different compared to other species. So how they can help them is, for example, if there were to be a drought, they have the ability to fill the openings of their shell, which is the aperture, which is this right here, which is shown in the image. And they fill that up, and this will like harden and protect them from drying out. These shells also serve as a protective barrier for snails, and it can protect them from predators and any other conditions in the environment. So these shells are basically their homes, and it is where they go to when they sense danger. So location of on the tree of life, they are under the phylum Mollusca. And there's just like a short little clip of the snail in their natural habitat. As you can see, they can be like anywhere, and this is them like consuming a leaf. And this little thing right here is where they eat. So the importance of snails in its ecosystem and to humankind is that slime particles improve the structure of soil and some soil formation. They also help recycle nutrients, and they also help remove algae and reduce plant detritus. And as mentioned, they do eat algae, so doing this is like very beneficial for the ecosystem. And they also move spores of fungi and other organisms to new locations. And overall, snails are just seen as environmental cleanup crews. These are my references, and that is all. Thank you.